Civil War, The Case of the Odagawa Disaster. Produced by荒木組 Corporation. Written and illustrated by Shinobu Nakayama. We civil engineers build dams, bridges, and roads. But in this video, we would like to talk about what we do when a disaster occurs. We fix infrastructure that has been broken or collapsed due to a typhoon or torrential rain so that people can live safely.
When there is a disaster, we go and check the affected area immediately.
Let's see how we actually fixed an embankment when the Oda River overflowed in the town of Mabi. In 2000 AD, there was torrential rain in Mabi town in Kurashiki City. The Oda River overflowed and the embankment collapsed. The river water flooded the whole town. It reached the second floor of a house. We needed to remove a large amount of water immediately. As soon as the rain had stopped, we used a drone to look at the town. The Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism sent 23 drainage pumpers and a large number of workers from all over Japan to Mabi town. We used drainage pumpers to return the water to the river.
The water in the town steadily receded.
The water level finally came down. The next thing we had to do was to restore the broken embankment as soon as possible. Local construction companies used backhoses and mobile cranes to provide emergency restoration. Mountains of sandbags were carried by trucks from Kurashiki City and the surrounding prefectures.
The sandbags were filled with soil.
The embankment returned to its original shape.
They are called lightning cars. We also worked during the night. Next, we started full-scale restoration work. We cut the trees in the river and then removed the accumulated earth and sand. So then, the river became much wider than before.
The Oda River got much wider.
And then, we shifted the channel of the Oda River in order to make the river safer. The Oda River used to merge with the upper part of the Takahashi River, but we replaced the confluence downstream.
The role of the embankment is to separate the Takahashi River and the Oda River. The bank slope is very gentle.
We regularized the confluence so that we could maintain the safety of the area.
Using modern techniques of civil engineering, we carved out mountains to create a new channel in the Oda River. We held a meeting to discuss our construction process while looking at the blueprints. We also measured the height and distance using a special machine and laser. In the fields, big backhoses and dump cars worked every day. A large number of people worked in the construction as unsung heroes.
Large machines cannot run on the road, so that we assemble them in the fields.
Those machines can automatically adjust their movement with signals from artificial satellite to help the driver. This is called ICT construction. The driver can look at the monitor when operating those machines. Here we go! Let's work together to make a safer society. Don't you think civil engineers are so cool?
Thank you so much for watching.